Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to accept credit card payments in Wave. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now, Wave enables you to accept credit card payments directly through your invoice, and here's how. First, to accept credit card payments, you must first set up Wave Payments. Now, we've covered this in a previous video, and you can just check that out. Now, this will enable payment methods like credit cards. Now, once Wave Payments is set up, create or open a invoice. When sending invoice, just make sure that you enable credit card payments by toggling on the accept credit cards options before sending it to your clients. Now, after the client receives the invoice, they can click the payment link, which will redirect them to a secure payment page where they can then use their credit cards to make payments. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a notification and the invoice status will be updated to paid. That's pretty much it for the video. So the only thing left to note is that accepting credit cards allows for quicker payments and a more convenient experience for your clients. That's it. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you in the next one.